So, Hunter Chillin', this year is the day that we launched the South Carolina Interfaith Power and Light Global Tree Project right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And I got with me Sister Alicia Brewster. How Hunter be?
I'm great. I am so grateful to be out here with you, Queen Quet, and with all those who are coming out celebrating Gullah Geechee Farming and Fishing Field Day. It is beautiful out here.
Yes, and we are having just a bless up day. Wish Hunter Chillin' could have joined we for this year, but they can still join we for the Global Tree Project. But first, tell folks, what is South Carolina Interfaith Power and Light?
South Carolina Interfaith Power and Light, or SCIPL as it's sometimes called, is the faith community's way to care for the earth and care for each other. Our programs work to engage and really to work towards climate action as well as environmental justice projects. So, as Queen Quet just mentioned, the Global Tree Project is one of the new initiatives that Queen Quet actually was one of the people who helped to come up with the idea, and we're really excited about taking the whole month of November to recognize and acknowledge and educate ourselves on the wonderful benefits of our trees, and really to also raise awareness about the deforestation that's happening in South Carolina as well as all over the globe.
And so, why should people care about the tree though? Like, you know, sometimes people come to South Carolina and they see the tree on the flag. They even see the Gullah Geechee Nation got a tree on the flag. And they like the tree when it's hot like this year, forget in the shade. But what else? What's the value of the tree? Why do a global tree initiative?
Well, that's a great question. Well, one of the reasons, unfortunately, a lot of us have heard about the hurricanes that have come through our coast recently, and trees actually are a part of protecting us from some of the most deadly aspects of our hurricanes and the forces of those winds. So trees actually help to create a more resilient community, a more resilient area. They also are there for purifying our water. Trees have a number of benefits. In addition to, of course, keeping us cool, all of us want to be close to the trees on the hot summer days. But trees are also necessary for helping to make our environment more stable. And unfortunately, when we clear out trees, we're actually destabilizing our natural environment, and we're making it, unfortunately, very difficult for us to even be able to sustain the life we have in those communities.
So true. So now, if they say, wow, I want to help. So how do I help you with this project? What should they do?
Well, number one, get educated. So you can go to scipl.org to get lots of information about the global issues that we are all facing around climate change, and to be able to understand again why trees are so important for places like Haiti and Trinidad and Pakistan and so many other places around our globe. But also, you can donate. We ask for everyone to commit to donating something towards, again, not only helping your community become more resilient, but also helping to see the impact that we all can have when everybody chips in, when everybody does our part to making our trees more sustainable in our communities. It actually helps to create a more resilient and more sustainable globe for all of us.
Exactly. So Hunter Chillin', look on the screen right below, and that way Hunter have a go for join we. So get rooted with we at Gullah Geechee at SCIPL. Plant a tree. Support this global reforestry. But right now, you know what? I think Sister Alicia and we why go get we some of this fish out here that the tree holding up the shore. But oh, look at all the more that right out yonder. The water bring we, the water going to take we back. But this your water be taking that sand, and we need the trees to hold upon the land. Peace and blessing, everybody.